Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Walmart Pay on your phone. Okay, so here I am on the Walmart app. So what you're going to do is if you're doing like self-checkout, ring everything up until you get to the end part where you have to pay. So load up your Walmart app here, and then at the very bottom right, you'll see a tab that says services. So we're going to click on services. From here, you're going to find an option that says Walmart Pay. So it should be under store tools, but they update the app frequently, so it might move around, but look for Walmart Pay and click on Walmart Pay. Okay, from here, you'll see that it just opens up your camera and you're just going to be scanning the QR code that is on the card reader. So even if you're doing it self-checkout or if you're doing it through a cashier, the QR code will be there. I'm going to show you what that looks like here in just a second. Okay, so I'm in the store at this point, and as you can see, I'm going under services, and I'm going to be clicking on Walmart Pay at the top there. Okay, it's loading up, and as you can see, my camera opened up, and I am just scanning that QR code right there, and this prompt pops up, and I just click on Pay Now, and it's connecting, and then we just have to wait for the cashier to press a button on their end, and you should be good to go. But ultimately, that is how you use Walmart Pay. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.